When we first started looking into automation, I was surprised to find that we could afford a 6-axis robot and a collaborative one at that. I assumed those systems cost hundreds of thousands of dollars. The return on investment on our initial system was less than 2 months.
What we've seen is up to a 500% increase in productivity by using the robot. The ROI on the robot so far has been 3 months, and it continues to decrease as we integrate more robots.
The return on investment is less than a year, probably about 7 months.
The ROI on the robot was probably about a 4-month return.
We're a custom injection molder, so we have shorter runs. We can take the cost of that robot and spread across many different jobs because it's so easy to move job to job. The return on investment, Universal Robot claims 6 to 9 months, which I think is fairly accurate. The payback comes quite quickly that way.
For the ROI on purchasing the robot is slightly less than a year, actually. So I'm very happy about that.
With the price you can buy the Universal Robot for, it's stuff that you're willing to invest knowing how quickly you can get the ROI back on it. To give an idea of ROI investment, you're looking at a savings of about 34 days it takes to get the robot paid for, to justify the means of buying that robot.
We actually thought that a 3 or 4 year return on the investment would be really good. However, been very pleasantly surprised with the Universal Robots. It's going to be under a year for both of those robots, and we're very thrilled with that.
We estimate the ROI was about 6 months at its current configuration.
So in case of robots, we found that in just 14 months, the robot will pay for itself.
The ROI on the robot, I would say the robot itself, payback was less than 4 months.
By doing a Vectus Universal Robots, I was able to program it to handle many different parts together. I can do 3 of this and 12 of that all in a package, and presto, I've got a shippable part. And we have found that to be much easier to get an ROI on. The tangible ROI is fairly clear, 1.5, 2 year ROI just on labor savings. The intangibles, I think, are actually more valuable than the tangible ROIs. And the overall net improvement of the shop, it could be very, very short. It really, really has made a difference for our team.